Looking for the best induction stovetop for 2025? In today's video, we're comparing top models that promise speed, precision, and style. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or going for a new cooktop, we've got the details you need to make the right choice. Stay tuned. Number 1. Miele KM6320 Induction Stovetop. It might look understated, but it's packed with versatile features. It offers 3 cooking zones with 9 temperature settings, including a 3,100-watt circular zone for round pans and a larger PowerFlex zone that combines 2 elements into a 9 by 15-inch area, reaching up to 7,700 watts. This makes it ideal for using larger or oddly shaped cookware. The KM6320 detects pan size for efficient energy use and includes functions like auto heat up to prevent burning and a keep warm setting. Safety features include automatic shutoff when no pans are detected and after long periods at the same temperature, although the latter could disrupt slow cooking. With an average 4.5-star rating across major retailers, users praised its speed and sleek design. The stop-and-go function was especially popular, though the lack of a hot surface indicator drew some criticism. Number 2. Frigidaire FGIC3066TB Gallery 30-inch electric induction cooktop. This is easy to use, featuring a simple touch control interface and separate controls for each burner. It has 4 burners, including a 10-inch heating element, perfect for large stock pots and casserole dishes. With 9 temperature settings ranging from 1,450 to 3,400 watts, it provides plenty of power for everyday cooking needs. Key features include automatic pan size detection, a melting function for delicate tasks like melting chocolate, a timer, and a safety lock. Spillovers won't burn onto the surface, making it easy to clean. Scoring an average of 4.5 stars on the Frigidaire website, users praised its intuitive operation and adjustable cooking zones. While a few mentioned issues with the large burner not boiling water quickly, this appears to be an isolated fault rather than a widespread problem. Number 3. Café CHP95302MSS 30-inch electric induction cooktop. This is a high-end induction cooktop that justifies its price with innovative features. It includes a Bluetooth-enabled pan that pairs with gourmet-guided recipes, adjusting temperatures and timings automatically. The smart timer can run on multiple cooking elements at once, and with Wi-Fi compatibility, you can monitor timers through the app. With 4 burners, 2 of which combine into a bridge element, this 30-inch cooktop also offers a 36-inch version with an additional burner. Digital controls allow temperature adjustment via a dial, and safety features include lock settings and red lights to indicate hot burners. When you remove a pan, the cooktop automatically turns off the burner. However, this could be inconvenient if you briefly remove a pan and need to resume cooking, as you'll have to switch the burner back on. Number 4. Bosch NITP660UC Benchmark Series 36-inch built-in electric induction cooktop. Bosch is a well-regarded brand, and the Bosch Benchmark NITP660UC induction cooktop lives up to its reputation. It delivers 2,200 to 3,700 watts across 5 elements, with a spacious 12-inch dual-ring center zone for versatile pan sizes. It also features Bosch-specific functions like Auto Chef, which adjusts the temperature during frying, and Speed Boost for faster cooking. Short Boost is ideal for delicate oils or thin pans. With 17 temperature settings, it allows for precise cooking, and it saves your settings if turned off briefly. The cooktop is compatible with the Bosch Home Connect app, enabling remote control. Users give it an average of 4.5 stars, praising its responsiveness and flexibility, though some noted that the controls are difficult to read in low light. Number 5. Cuisinart ICT-60 Double Induction Cooktop. This is a highly portable induction cooktop, perfect for adding extra burners to your kitchen or taking on the go for RV trips or camping. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and features a glass surface that wipes down effortlessly. The left burner is smaller, ideal for light cooking like sauces or vegetables, while the right burner handles heavier tasks like frying or boiling. Each burner has its own timer, up to 150 minutes, and separate on-off switches for flexibility. The cooktop also includes an automatic shut-off safety feature, turning off a burner 30 seconds after removing the pot. With a 4.3-star average on Amazon, users appreciate its portability and ease of use. though some mention that it struggles with simmering, being better suited for high-heat cooking like boiling and frying. So, which is the best? After considering all factors, the Miele KM6320 takes the win with its sleek design, reliable performance, and advanced features. It's perfect for anyone looking for the ultimate cooking experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.